there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to manage comment privacy settings for only one video or some specific videos. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. To manage comment privacy settings for one of our videos, first let's go to our TikTok app. Let's open it. If you don't want anybody to comment on a specific video of yours, if you just created a demo video for doing something, but you needed to post it on TikTok so that everybody on your friends list can see that, but many people are commenting on your videos, and now you need to turn the comments off on that video. Just one of your videos, but not all of your videos, only for a specific video. Okay, now I'll show you how to do that. First, to do that, let's go to our profile at the bottom right corner of your phone. And okay, these are all my videos. Now let's do it on the first video. Now to disable the comment for this video only, just you can see the three dotted icon on the bottom right corner of your phone below the comment icon. Just tap there and all these options will pop out. These are send to sharing options, and we are not going to do the sharing options. On the bottom options we need to swipe left. Okay, after swiping left we can see the privacy settings at the bottom. Let's go, just tap there and you can see all these options have popped out. Who can watch this video? Everyone. Allow comments. And now you want to disable the comments on this video, you just need to tap on the toggle icon and it will be turned off. Now no one can comment on this video unless I turn it on. There guys, managing comment privacy settings for only one of videos is this easy. Now for the second process, but still I want people to comment on my content because I'm not sure how is my content going, so I'll turn it on for now, and in your case you can turn it off. Now guys, this was for an existing video. Now to do it for a video before you post it, okay, let's go. Let's record a video of 5 seconds of my laptop again. Okay guys, I have recorded a video of my laptop. Now to disable the comment for this video, just tap next, and after that you can see the allow comment option over here. And if you want to disable the comment for this video, you just need to tap on the toggle icon on the right side of the allow comment option, and the gray means it has been turned off. And there guys, and now no one can comment on this video unless you want them to. So guys, managing comment privacy settings for one of your videos in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any confusion or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Peace.